Howdy folks, it's General back to you. I'm going to make another video on this, uh, the straps on these uh, seat belts. I despise how that pressure goes on my chest when it's there all the time. But you got to have it because of the law. But I figured out how to get rid of the pressure on it. And it's still safe and it's still legal. Up here, see where I'm pointing? Up here, where your seat belt goes into the doolally that goes into your car frame. Get hold of that and pinch that right there and pull that down right there where it's at and put, I don't know whether you can see this or not. See where I'm holding right there? That right there is where that goes in up there. Okay, now here's what you're doing. Get that back in its little holder. Reach up there and get that. Mark it. Take you one of these. This little clamp. And go two fingers that way from that mark. And then when you let it go, it makes this floppy. And you're only going to go that far before it catches. But it takes all the pressure off your chest. I can handle that. I mean, you can move around. It's not putting any pressure on your chest. Okay? And then when you get ready to take it off, just reach up here and pull it down. Take the clip off, lay it down your console, and then take this thing off. So it's real easy to do. Just get that right there in your fingers, reach up there and get it, pull it down, put it up there at 2 inches, 2 fingers, that way from the mark where you're holding, and let it back up there. Makes it loose. All right, y'all like and subscribe, hit the bell, make comments. This General, I'm out.